Good morning, friends. Today we will see how we can create registration form in Composer. First we have to open the Composer. Now we have right here registration form. Then do the alignment center. Then you have to click on form, define form name. First I write down my name underscore registration form. I am creating the registration form, so I use here reg. Same name you have to use here with the extension, file extension, which is .html. Then method, which is post, and click on ok button. Then you can see the blue colored underline is came. After that you have to take the alignment left and write here first name. Before that, you have to increase the font size. You have to just click on the tools menu, options. Then you have to click on the fonts. Then you can see here the size of your font, which is 16 pixel, and I have to increase my font size. Then click on OK. Now I write down here first name, then give the tab, again tab, take here form field, text, field name, which is FN, initial value, enter your first name, then click on OK. Same thing you have to do for the last name. Again you have to click on form field, text, field name, which is short form of last name Alan, write down the initial value, enter your last name, then click on OK. Then you have to write down here email ID, for the email ID you have to take here form field, text, EID, initial value, enter your email ID. Enter your email ID, click on OK. Then next is password. For the password you have to take here the password field, form field. In place of text you have to select here password, the field name, which is PWD, initial value, which is, enter your password. Next one, which is gender. For the gender we have to select the radio button. Again click on form field. In place of text you have to select here radio button, group name, which is Here the group name which is G and the field value which is, suppose you are female, then you have to write down here female and you have to initially check. Click on OK. Here you have to write down female. The next one which is again form field. In place of text, you have to select your radio button. Form group name which is G. Field name which is male. If you are male, you have to initially check. Here you have to specify the value male. Then hobby. For the hobby, we are taken here checkbox. Again, click on form field. In place of text, you have to select your checkbox, the field name which is C1 and the value which is reading. हाँ ए Now again I want to take the checkbox. In place of text, you have to select your checkbox, field name which is C2, value which is reading. If you're sorry, in place of reading, we have to specify here another field value singing. If your hobby is singing, you have to just click on the initially check singing. Then next one which is address. For the address, we have to take text area, field name which is add, rows which is 5, column which is 50, initially text which is enter your address. Then click on OK. Then next one which is city. For the city, we are taken here selection list. Click on form, selection list. First we specify the list name which is city. Now we click on add option to adding the city. Again, to add the more options, if your city is Ahmedabad, you just click on it and initially check. Then click on OK. Then next is image. For the image, you have to take your field, form field, file, file name, field name which is img. Then next one, after completing the form field which is submit button, the field name which is submit, and value which is also submit. Click on OK for submitting your form. If you want to reset your form data, you just click on the form field. In place of text, you have to click on reset button. Here, the value which is field name which is reset and the value which is also reset. Then click on OK. For the last and main thing which is you have to give the page color. For the page color, you have to click on format, page colors and backgrounds. Here you have to click on custom colors, then click on backgrounds. You have to choose any light color, then click on OK. Now your registration form is ready. You have to save it. For saving your page, you have to give your name, underscore, it is registration form, so I give the title REG, then click on OK. I want to save it in my 12th practical folder. I just click on it and just save it, my file, save. Now I want to open that. I click on the browse. You can see my registration form in browser. Then you have to erase this and write down here your first name, last name, then your email address, then password, then your address. You have to write down your address here. Then you have to choose your city. Then if you have a image, you can choose the image from here. Libraries, pictures. Right now I don't want to choose any image. I just click on the submit, then it will submit. after the submitting, my form is look like this. You can submit your form erasing by you want to reset your form, you just click on reset. Right now I click on the submit. My form is submitted. So this is the way you can create your own registration form easily.